guys miss me? I'm back. Hey everybody, I know it's been a while since we've done anything here on YouTube, but I'm back doing YouTube things after a few months of moving across the country, moving into a new space, and getting that new space all set up, which, as you can see behind me, is a much larger space. It's still very much a work in progress. I still have a lot of boxes having some stuff in them. I'm working on some other projects for this space, which I'll hopefully show you guys soon, but we're coming back. It feels good. It feels good after a few months away from here. So for those that don't know why we haven't been here in the last few months doing regular content, I ended up moving across the country for a new job, and with that comes the hecticness of moving, getting situated to the new job and the surroundings, and getting the new setup the way I want to. And as you can see, the new setup behind me is definitely a much needed improvement over the last setup I had, where all my 3D printing equipment was in an old spare bedroom that had spare bedroom furniture in it. So this is a space where I can have solely all my 3D printing and maker stuff here. Nonetheless, I still wanted to give you guys an update of where I've been. I haven't been off the internet completely. I've been around, lurking on other people's content and streams, and we actually started redoing the live streams back up in October over on Twitch. If you guys want to check me out over on Twitch doing the live stream content, twitch.tv/BigJano is where you can find me over there a few nights a week, working on some fun stuff. So definitely go check us out over there if you haven't yet. With that being said, this should signify the return of YouTube content very, very soon. I am working on a video that hopefully should be out by the end of the year, so definitely stay tuned for that. And then we should be definitely ramping back up the content into the new year, into 2024. I definitely have a lot of really good ideas going into 2024 for video ideas, and having this larger space behind me, it definitely gives me some ideas on some other projects I can actually work on now that I have some extra space that I couldn't do in the past. So definitely get excited, because I'm getting excited for what's to come here. I probably could have given you guys an update a little bit sooner, as we've been here for about 3 months now. But I just hadn't had the time to really sit down and film anything in the last couple of months, just because of how busy I've been and other things going on. And now is kind of a time where I'm ready to really get back into YouTube content as I can. I still do have a full-time job, so that does take precedent. But regardless, I look forward to getting back and doing some fun content for you guys into 2024 here. With that being said, this is going to wrap up this short video. If you have any ideas for content into 2024 you would maybe like to see here on the channel, feel free to leave a comment down below. Maybe you want to go over something more in detail on any of the printers I've covered behind me. Just let me know, or any other project ideas you might want to see. I'm open to your suggestions. And hopefully by the next time I talk to you guys, the setup behind me is going to be a little bit more done, and maybe some of those boxes will be out of the way finally. I do want to thank each and every one of you guys again for all your support the last few years, now and always, especially during this little bit of a hiatus I took during the move. You guys are still watching the content. You guys are still watching older videos of mine, which I very, very much appreciate. I do appreciate all that support, and I hope to see that support continue into 2024. Anyways, that's going to be it for me for now. Thank you all again for your support. I greatly appreciate you always. I'll catch you guys again real soon, and until next time, keep doing it big.